This is my freestyle analysis for EdDuke 2007, assessment number 2. So we start off with breathing, and ideally we should really keep a neutral head position. Unfortunately, you can see my head over rotates quite a bit, and we've got the full head sort of coming all the way out of the water. And yeah, ideally we'd have that left ear and left eye still in the water, keeping that flat, neutral position, which maximizes efficiency. So yeah, by that over rotation of the head in the breathing, I do sort of throw my body position and body alignment out, which we'll talk about a little bit later. And yeah, by bringing my head up so high, I do also drop my legs. So yeah, does affect a lot of my stroke. I do have a good exhale through the stroke, so breathing out through the nose and then obviously inhaling. So yeah, that frequent breathing to keep moving is good. And there we can see that over rotation of the head on the left versus the ideal on the right with that ear and eye still in the water. So yeah, good example there. There's a few things in terms of body position to look at. The first one is body alignment. So that's really shooting for that straight line swimming. So my legs are coming quite wide, outside of my body on either side. And my arms sort of come outwards before they go straight ahead in front of me. So that body alignment is definitely something that could be improved to sort of minimize the amount of resistance that we've got. The second thing in terms of body position is the head. So we've spoken about the breathing pattern, which is again in effect here and affecting the overall body position. However, the other thing is that where we're looking plays a big part. So you can see I'm sort of looking forward. Ideally, my head should be pointing I should be looking straight down towards the black line. And yeah, that's again another inefficiency of the stroke. And finally, body rotation. So ideally, we should again be shooting for that sort of straight, flat body position. So you can see here my legs rotating all the way around and my whole body is really rotating. So that could be a lack of flexibility in hips, meaning that my whole body is rotating as opposed to just my upper body. Or again, it could be due to that over rotation of the head in the breathing, which is sort of bring my whole body onto its side to sort of compensate. Where if we can sort of work on having that more natural head position and not coming up so high, potentially that'll reduce the amount of rotation in my lower body. And then we can see there that over rotation of the legs where I'm sort of side on, and you can see the leg sinking there, which is tied up with the breathing pattern, which I mentioned earlier. In terms of the kicking, really we want a short and fast kick. I seem to have a bit of a mixed kick where when I'm side on, I'm doing one big kick and really coming quite wide, scissoring as per se. And yeah, so that's adding some extra resistance as opposed to keeping that straight line, short, sharp kick, or short, quick kick, I should say. And there you can see there that example of the legs coming really far apart where, ideally they should be stuck together. So in terms of the upper body, there's a few things going on here. My arms are entering the water in front of my shoulder and they're quite narrow, which is good and helping my efficiencies. I've also got a high elbow, which comes over the top and goes higher than my hands, which is really helping my propulsion. However, my hands are sort of sinking straight down and they should be going outwards and forwards. And also my arms are remaining straight through the back pull, which, ideally they should be at a 45-degree angle to be able to push more water and move me along quicker. And there you can see the hand on the left-hand side going straight down. Ideally, that should be coming out further in front of me. And on the right-hand side, you can see my arm on the backward stroke pulling straight down, and it's quite straight, whereas that should be at a 45-degree angle to, push me forward more efficiently. And that is my analysis. Thank you.